Hi traders, in this video we are going to break down what really moves the forex market beyond just random candles on the chart. I'll walk through the main drivers in plain language and give you a simple way to think about why a currency pair is moving at any moment. Let's consider the big drivers: interest rates and central banks. Interest rates expectations and central bank decisions are among the strongest forces in forex because they shape how attractive a currency is to global capital. When a central bank is expected to raise rates or stay hawkish, that currency often strengthens. When it cuts or signals easing, the currency can weaken as returns look less attractive. Next on our list is economic data and growth outlook. Regular data releases, GDP, inflation, employment, retail sales, PMIs, constantly updates the market's view of how an economy is doing. Stronger than expected numbers can boost the currency as investors price in better growth and possible rate hikes, while weak data can trigger selling as expectations are cut. Next, we have geopolitics, risk sentiment, and flows. Political instability, conflicts, trade tensions, and global risk sentiment, risk on versus risk off, also move currencies, often suddenly. In risk off moments, money tends to flow into safe haven currencies like the US dollar, Japanese yen, or Swiss franc. In risk on conditions, higher yielding or growth sensitive currencies like AUD and NZD can benefit. Next, we have technical factors and market positioning. Beyond fundamentals, technical levels, support, resistance and trend lines, and positioning, who is long or short, and where stop sits, help shape intraday and short-term moves. Breaks of key levels, crowded trades, and large option expiries can all lead to sharp, technically driven swings even when the news flow is quiet. You can read more about what makes the forex market move, including deeper dives into fundamentals, sentiment, and structure using the link in the description below. If this helped you see that every move on the chart has a story behind it, rates, data, sentiment, or positioning, make sure you like the video, drop a comment with your questions, and subscribe to the Forex Geek with notifications on. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.